Hey folks, I'm Bryce Holdaway, he is Ben Kingsley, and we are the authors of How to Retire on $3,000 per week. And we are super excited to get this book out into the marketplace because it's effectively 25 plus years of our life's work that you can actually read in a weekend. And we're super proud of how simple it is to follow and how straightforward it is to follow the playbook.
Yeah, I think it's what, almost 60 years of combined investment knowledge, and of course we've tried to put that into really easy frameworks for you to understand, because ultimately one of the biggest challenges to actually investing is procrastination and not taking action initially. And so by reading through this, we hope that you'll build your knowledge, which will ultimately mean you build your confidence, and off the back of that confidence you'll take action.
Now folks, it's a journey. We take you from the beginning, we just build layers and more layers, and by the time you get to the case studies at the end, you get to see how this is actually being played out in real life with real scenarios with real people. So it's just not a title to get you to pick it off the bookshelf. It actually works in the real world. So if you want to get a copy, it's available at all good bookstores, including Amazon, QBD,
Big W,
Dimix, and Big W, folks. So we would love you to get your hands on this book. We would love for you to retire on $3,000 per week, Ben. It's just something that we are very, very passionate about.
That's right, Bryce, because knowledge is empowering, but only if you act on it.